wonderful kind of feeling. That's the reason I love toy trains.
Oh no!
Ain't it great to be crazy? Silly and foolish all the day long. Boom, ain't it great to be crazy? On that train he had with a toot-toot here and a toot-toot there. Here a toot, there a toot, everywhere a toot-toot. Old MacDonald had a train, E-I-E-I-O.
A German company manufactures these G-gauge trains.
Boom, boom, ain't it great to be crazy? Great to be crazy all the day long. Boom, boom.
Shays were at the sawmill. Those big logs were cut into planks and loaded on flat cars to be taken to the lumber yard where your dad might buy them to build a new house.